This video is going to show how to quickly replicate component placement in OrCAD X Presto. Many modern PCB designs require multiple instances of the same circuit, and manually placing individual components for similar circuits can be a time-consuming process. Placement replication can be used to quickly replicate circuits in the same board or reuse intellectual property from other designs to accelerate the PCB layout. Start by opening a design in OrCAD X Presto. In this example, we have a power supply circuit configuration to copy throughout the board. To start placement replication, right-click the Move mode in the toolbar and select the Place Replicate mode. The Place Replicate widget opens with the Create function selected. Enter a name for the group. We will call ours Power Supply. This will define a module name which can be applied to automatically place the circuit later. Click and drag to select the desired part configuration. If the Quick Help feature is active, a tooltip is shown to guide you through the process and steps required to use placement replication. Click any of the selected components to finish. Select the center of the main component for the origin. The replicate circuit has been created. To start copying the circuit, click Apply in the Place Replicate widget. The widget expands to show new options. Ensure all options are checked and that the desired circuit is selected. Click and drag to select the scattered components to automatically sort them. Click a component to attach a replicated circuit to your cursor. The circuit is made up of matched components and is in the same configuration as the original. Click to place the circuit on the PCB where required. When the matching components are used up, the cursor is cleared. Choose the Select mode from the toolbar or press Escape on the keyboard to return to the selection mode. The replicated circuit file is saved in the working directory and can be used in future designs to accelerate the PCB layout. Quickly and easily replicate circuits with placement replication in OrCAD X Presto to accelerate the PCB design process and reuse known good circuitry. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.